In this video, we will learn how to use custom sort in Excel sheet. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I want to use the custom sort. Normally, you use the sort by using the filter. Just click the cell, click on the data tab, click the filter. After filter, you use the A to Z. Here you can see in the data tab A to Z. I want to just A to Z. Okay. When the selected column, you get the A to Z, central, east, and west as per location. Okay. With this sort, I want also total sales amount in descending order. Okay. So if you want this, just click on here sort. You can get here the sort value in data tab. Here you show you already sort by location, sales value, A to Z. Okay. Then I want to add the one level. I want the total sales. Okay, sales values smallest, largest to smallest. Okay, I want largest one. And just click. You add also one. You can add also one extra level also. I just want to add this one total sale first and just click on OK. Okay, you can see here the location is A to Z plus in center location you get here the cells in the largest to smallest. Okay, in east location the cells here largest to smallest. Same in the west location cells largest to smallest. Okay, this is a custom sort. You can use this way. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.